Okay guys, 2002 Ducati Monster back brake light doesn't work or works intermittently. Let's try check it out. So this is the switch. It's called a micro switch. Goes right in here. When the brake lever is released, it releases the micro switch, completing the circuit. There's two small screws that hold that micro switch onto this, so you might want to work in a place where you're kind of clumsy, you don't drop it down and you're never going to find it again. But if you gotta buy the new switch, it comes along with the two new screws and everything, so no need to worry about that. Just take that off, take off your headlight, unplug your connector. This is the wire going to the back brake light circuit, and then we're gonna do, this is the old one now, so let's turn on the power. Here we got power. Hit the switch. Actually the switch should already be on because the switch is out. It's in the out position, so it's on the on position. I know the back brake is working because I know the light is working because the back brake is working. So I'll swap out the switch. Aloha. This is the part number, Brembo. Part was made in 2017, 110441813. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm gonna install it right now. Okay, circuit test now. I got the switch in, like the lever is in the up position, so the closed circuit position. I lift the lever up and I got brakes. Okay guys, simple quick fix. Aloha. Here you go, quick tip right here. These screws are really small, and to hold them, to screw that in, is gonna be a task. You might drop it. Get a magnet, and then you can hold it on the bottom with the magnet. Makes it a lot easier. And another thing, when you put this switch on, make sure the wire is in the same way I have it. You see, this wire goes facing inwards and comes down, routed around here, comes here. I'm gonna zip tie all of that nice and tidy, put the headlight back on, and I'm back for business. Aloha. May pay away.